Hi friends, may peace be upon you. This is the second part of Rapid Revision Kerala PSC Assistant Dental Surgeon Exam Previous Question Paper 2015. Welcome back to Easy Learn. 21st question. All of the following are true regarding vitamin A activity except A. 1 RAE, that is retinol activity equivalent, is equal to 1 microgram all trans retinal. B. 1 RAE is equal to 12 microgram beta carotene. C. 1 international unit is equal to 3.6 microgram beta carotene. D. 1 international unit is equal to 36 microgram all trans retinal. Answer is D. Next question. Good cholesterol is A. LDL, B. VLDL, C. chylomicron, D. HDL. Answer is D. HDL. Next question. GLUT2 transporter is seen in all the following tissues except A. liver, B. brain, C. pancreatic beta cell, D. small intestine. Answer is B. brain. Next question. Which of the following is false regarding HPS? A. Glutamic acid in beta chain is replaced by valine. B. GAG in 6th codon is replaced by GUG. C. RBCs are always abnormally shaped. D. Sickled RBCs can cause splenic infarction. Answer is C. RBCs are always abnormally shaped. Next question. Transamination is the first catabolic step of which amino acid given below? A. Arginine, B. proline, C. threonine, D. lysine. Answer is A. Arginine. Next question. Contributions of Louis Pasteur include all except A. hot air oven, B. autoclave, C. live attenuated anthrax vaccine, D. discovery of Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Answer is D. discovery of Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Dr. Robert Koch announced the discovery of Mycobacterium tuberculosis, the bacteria that causes tuberculosis. During this time, TB killed 1 out of every 7 people living in the US and Europe. Next question. Component of bacterial cell responsible for endotoxic shock is A. lipopolysaccharide, B. peptidoglycan, C. cytoplasmic membrane, D. porins. Answer is A. lipopolysaccharide. Next question. The mechanism of gene transfer associated with penicillin resistance in Staphylococcus is A. transformation, B. conjugation, C. transduction, D. lysogenic conversion. Answer is C. transduction. Next question. Example of zoonotic disease is all except A. Teniasis, B. brucellosis, C. hydatid disease, D. leptospirosis. Answer is A. Teniasis. Next question. During window period in HIV infection, A. viral RNA cannot be detected in serum, B. HIV antibody tests are negative, C. viral components cannot be detected in this phase, D. infection cannot be transmitted in this period. Answer is B. HIV antibody tests are negative. Next question. The lines that are seen clearly in longitudinal ground sections of enamel viewed by reflected light are A. gnarled enamel, B. stray of red zest, C. Hunter-Schriger bands, D. perikymata. Answer is C. Hunter-Schriger bands. Next question. The organic phase in dentine is primarily composed of A. type 1 collagen, B. type 5 collagen, C. type 3 collagen, D. type 11 collagen. Answer is A. type 1 collagen. Next question. The first sign of dentine formation is the appearance of A. lines of von Ebner, B. Tom's process, C. von Kopff's fibers, D. contour lines of Owen. Answer is C. von Kopff's fibers. Next question. The principal cell in the lamina propria of gingiva is A. Endothelial cell, B. Mucus cell, C. Histiocyte, D. Fibroblast. Answer is D. Fibroblast. Next question. The earliest histologic indication of tooth development is at A. 6th week of embryogenesis, B. 2nd week of embryogenesis, C. 4th week of embryogenesis, D. 3rd week of embryogenesis. Answer is B. 2nd week of embryogenesis. Next question. The accurate radiograph for the diagnosis of approximal caries lesions when a contact point is present is A. Occlusal, B. RVG, C. Bite wing, D. Intraoral periapical. Answer is D. Intraoral periapical. Next question. A restoration material that will set in dark is A. Compomer, B. Resin modified GIC, C. Nanofilled composite, D. Pitt and Fisher sealants. Answer is B. Resin modified GIC. Next question. IPS Empress 2 is an example of A. Injection molded ceramic, B. CAD-CAM ceramic, C. Sintered ceramic, D. Glass infiltrated ceramic. Answer is A. Injection molded ceramic. Next question. In the hand instrument formula, the first number indicates A. The length of the primary cutting edge in tenths of a millimeter, B. The width of the primary cutting edge in hundredths of a millimeter, C. The width of the primary cutting edge in tenths of a millimeter, D. The length of the primary cutting edge in hundredths of a millimeter. Answer is C. The width of the primary cutting edge in tenths of a millimeter. Next question. Ditch cut is usually employed in A. Lamination techniques, B. Calla lily preparations for composites, C. Primary flare for indirect cast restorations, D. Proximal preparations for amalgam. Answer is D. Proximal preparations for amalgam.